Hey guys, Rick Hogg with War HOGG Tactical, and I want to talk to you about the shifting gears drill. So really the key thing with this is, if you notice downrange, what I have is I've got two targets. I've got one close that's a larger target, and then I've got one further away that's a smaller target. The important thing with this is you want to be able to shift from both engaging the close target at a fast speed and then knowing how to shift that gear to be able to make that further shot. But then vice versa, you don't always want to go for near to far. Sometimes you want to run that far. So now I know I've got to shift down to a slower gear, be able to make that further shot, and then now get to that closer target and be able to shift gears and go. Part with this is there's also a target indexing going on. So I have to understand that basically when I see that first target, my eyes are looking at that target. As soon as that last shot breaks, I've got to shift those eyes so that now when I'm driving that gun over, my eyes are already on target, and basically my sights, whether they're irons or red dot, are meeting my eyes there. Then I can sit there, throttle that speed down to make that last minute adjustment, and then make that further shot. So it's kind of combining a bunch of drills into one. It's me being able to understand, hey, what is my capability at different distances to engage targets of different sizes, but then it's also indexing, going, hey, I can only focus on one, I only have one focal point I can focus on, either my target, my irons, depending on what I'm doing, and being able to, once I get that shot, shift my eyes, get over to that next target. So go ahead, get your eyes and ears on. I'm gonna go ahead and conduct my administrative load, and we'll run this drill. So again, I draw my pistol out, gives me a chance to check my sights, which are good, lock my slide to the rear, secure my mag goes in, slide forward, conduct my War HOGG check, and I'm good to go. I'm gonna go ahead and secure my magazine out, make sure my #1 slot is filled. So I'm gonna start here I'm gonna hit that close target first, then I'm gonna have to throttle down as I do my target index over to that next target, make sure my sights are on there, and be able to get my shot. I need to make sure I don't want to get in this range habit of once I bust my shots, I just throw the pistol back in the holster and I'm done. Once I engage this first one, I get the far one. Once I've engaged him, I'm gonna check #1, check #2, because again, I want to train as if I were in a fight and make sure I've finished the fight. So we're here. And then you notice, get that one shot on the far one, be able to shift gears. Took a little longer, that's fine because I've got a smaller target to deal with. Now we're just gonna reverse engineer it. I'm gonna hit the far one first and then come back to the close one. But again, I index back and forth between each of your targets, because if you are in that fight and you did engage target #1, he goes down, you still wanna go back to 2, make sure your work is done on both targets. So we'll hit the far one and then come close. Stand by. So again, guys, that's just kind of the shifting gears drill. You can use steel, you can use paper, you can use different distances. If your range restricts and you don't have the ability to kind of get that wide gap, you can have targets kind of, on an IPSC target, one high, one low, numerous different ways you can do it. But the point being is, what I want to do is be able to go, hey, I can shoot something fast here, but understand what's my ability to kind of shift that gear for that further shot. Try this, add it to your training. Let me know how it works out. You guys take care.